That's a car coming down the road. They haven't plowed yet. We've gotten, oh, 8 inches at least, 10 inches. But these small cars with low clearance, they're getting stuck right in the street. That's out in the street. You got a snowblower trying to plow their way back to their house. They're doing some shoveling. But this is what a winter blizzard here in Wisconsin looks like. It's just crazy. We got another, like I said, at least 8 inches overnight, and they're forecasting for another 6 to 10 during the day today. Look at that car, got stuck right in the street. Yeah, well, it's Wisconsin weather. Okay, Papa Bear, out.